I want to show you something. Over here, there's a cicada. As you can see. Ever seen those things? I guess they come out like every 15 years or something. It's over some type of larvae or something. Wanted to do a video of this. It's like a huge fly of some sort. I want to disturb it. They're kind of good, I don't know. I think they're good. It's just been sitting there for, I don't know how long. I guess this is the former body. It's just sitting over its former body, or some type of larvae or something. I thought it was pretty cool. Zoom in on one more time. Anyway, I wanted to show you a cool cicada. They come out every 15 years. They're very rare. They're very rare. They make musical little sounds or something.